there music lovers, welcome back to another episode of How to Make Music Like Yellow Claw. If you're a fan of bangers, hard-hitting drops, and going absolutely wild at festivals, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Yellow Claw and breaking down their signature sound. So grab your headphones, crank up the volume, and let's get started. I used Vital for main lead, and add effect like gross beat, fruity blood overdrive. I used another lead layer with Harmless, and add gross beat, and fruity blood overdrive. Here I create lead bus, and add effect like pitch shifter automation for drop, and fruity filter for low pass filter. Add a snare build up. Add fills. Now our drop sounds like this. Now time to make drum section. Add kick. Now I layer bassline. Now our drums section sounds like this. Now time to change drum, and make trap drum section. Never forget to add FX. And guys, that's it. Now listen to our final result. And guys, if you want to learn how to make music production, just stay with me, so please hit that subscribe button, and now let's listen final result.